All right, look, I get it. Buying wine, low key, kind of stressful at times. You walk into the store, you see this entire wall of unfamiliar bottles, and you're frustrated because none of them seem to follow a consistent labeling format. Good thing is, you're not alone, and you don't have to feel scared. Let's break down three common types of wine labels so that you're a little better prepared the next time you go shopping.
All right, so first up, we have this bottle of Bourgogne Pastougrin, and this is a good example of what an old world bottle typically looks like. Now, historically, wine has always been a local expression of tastes and culture. So you'll find that in the old world, winemakers tend to emphasize a terroir, which just means the place where the grapes were grown, over the specific types of grape varietals that go into the wine. So what this translates to is old world labels typically will not mention any grape varietals, but they will definitely tell you where the grapes were grown. So this bottle specifically is from Bourgogne, which is just Burgundy in English, and more specifically, it's from the appellation called Bourgogne Pastougrin. And this little line down here that says Appellation d'origine contrôlée just tells us that the bottle meets the legally defined requirements for this appellation set by the French INAO, which is their National Institute of Origin and Quality. What that tells us is this bottle is going to be a mix of two grapes, Gamay and Pinot Noir, with at least 1/3 of the mix being Pinot Noir. And then we're told that the grapes are from the vintage 2020, which means that the grapes were grown and harvested in 2020. And that Georges Ligné is the winemaker, and the grapes are from a small region in Burgundy called Meurey-Saint-Denis. All right, so this is a bottle of Blueprint by Lale Vineyards out of Napa Valley. So now we're in the New World. And as is typical for New World style labels, clearly tells you that the grapes are primarily Cabernet Sauvignon. And I say primarily because the wine is actually only about 95% Cabernet, with the other 5% being Petit Verdot, but you never know that from just reading the label. And then they also tell you that the grapes are from the 2018 vintage. And then sometimes you find fun little labels like this that don't really give you any information other than it's yum. In these cases, sometimes the back label will give you a little bit more information, but for this bottle specifically, it just tells us it's a red wine because we needed to be told that. It's a 2021 vintage and it's from Mendocino County, which is in Northern California. But you know, sometimes wine labels can convey information without words. It's a fun little label, it's a fun little wine. Bring it to your next hangout with your friends. Have a good time.